This is TechCrunch.
Amazon says 97% of its devices can support Alexa Plus. I'm Imran Sheikh, and your Daily Crunch for Tuesday starts right now. On Monday, Anthropic announced a new tool called Cowork, designed as a more accessible version of Claude Code. Built into the Claude desktop app, the new tool lets users designate a specific folder where Claude can read or modify files, with further instructions given through the standard chat interface. The result is similar to a sandboxed instance of Claude Code, but requires far less technical savvy to set up. Currently in research preview, Cowork is only available to Max subscribers, with a waitlist available for users on other plans. The new tool is inspired in part by the growing number of subscribers using Claude Code to achieve non-coding tasks, treating it as a general-purpose agentic AI tool. Cowork is built on the Claude Agent SDK, which means it's drawing on the same underlying model as Claude Code. The folder partition gives an easy way to manage what files Cowork has access to, and because the app doesn't require command line tools or virtual environments, it's less intimidating for non-technical users. That opens up a new world of potential use cases. Anthropic gives the example of assembling an expense report from a folder of receipt photos, but Claude Code users have also put the system to work managing media files, scanning social media posts, or analyzing conversations. Launched as a command line tool in November 2024, Claude Code has become one of Anthropic's most successful products, leading the company to launch a string of new interfaces in recent months. A web interface launched in October, followed by a Slack integration just 2 months later. All right, folks, it's official. Apple has chosen to work with Google, a longtime partner, to power AI features like Siri. After careful evaluation, we determined that Google's technology provides the most capable foundation for Apple Foundation models, and we're excited about the innovative new experiences it will unlock for our users, Apple and Google said in a statement. The partnership confirms previous reporting on a deal with Google. Neither Apple nor Google have confirmed the price tag, but previous reports indicate Apple could be paying Google around $1 billion for access to its AI technology. The deal also comes after Apple spent some time testing the technology of competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic. The multi-year partnership will involve Apple using Google's Gemini models and cloud technology for future Apple foundational models. Now, the deal's not exclusive per a source familiar with the matter. Apple has historically focused on vertical integration, relying on its own hardware and software. The iPhone maker has faced a fair amount of public chatter criticizing it after its AI efforts, particularly its assistant Siri, lagged behind competitors. That's not to say Apple hasn't been quietly building powerful foundational models. The company released the first versions of Apple Intelligence in 2024. Amazon offered a bit more insight into how it sees its AI platform competing in the real world at the CES show in Las Vegas last week. Namely, Amazon plans to leverage the extensive footprint its devices already have in the home, as well as consumers' existing familiarity with its Alexa brand. Announced early last year, Alexa Plus is Amazon's future in the generative AI market, offering more expensive voices, access to world knowledge similar to other AI assistants, and AI agents that perform tasks on behalf of the customer, like calling an Uber or ordering food. The company has been steadily rolling out access to the AI platform, with more than 1 million Alexa customers gaining access by last June, and now tens of millions can opt in to upgrade to the AI assistant. Amazon doesn't have an exact date for when Alexa Plus will be available to everyone. The company is focusing first on bringing the AI to all Prime members. What Amazon soon has to prove, beyond availability, is whether consumers will actually use its AI. And that's where Amazon believes Alexa's existing footprint will help. Alexa's plans for the home come as Apple announced it's teaming up with Google's Gemini for Siri as other AI chatbots, like ChatGPT and Claude, compete across a variety of use cases, ranging from research to healthcare to coding and more. Just ahead of CES, Amazon announced a way to access Alexa on the web and a redesigned Alexa app that puts a chatbot-style interface front and center. At the conference, Amazon partners like Samsung, BMW, and Aura showed off their Alexa integrations. The company also promoted its recent acquisition of Bee, an AI wearable that lets you record conversations and gain insights. Customers can engage with Bee via text or voice chat. In the future, Amazon says Alexa and Bee will become more integrated. But Bee has value as its own standalone brand, with Amazon calling it an important and lovable experience. And that's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Sarah Perez, Rebecca Bellon, Russell Brandom, and more awesome TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here tomorrow. Same tech time, same Crunch channel. And until then, find us at TechCrunch.com.